HITEC Laser launches a new visual positioning CCD solution for multi-axis laser marking machines, enabling fully automatic detection, alignment, and high-precision marking of metal parts. GovMark is suitable for marking products that are placed randomly. 3C Structural Component Processing. Various high-precision scenarios such as precision machining. GovMark Vision software. Automatic positioning and processing are achieved through workpiece recognition using a camera. To enable laser equipment to have high-precision adaptive capabilities. Batch automated processing capabilities. Supports one-click import of initial quantity charts. The graphical user interface is simple and easy to use. Micron-level processing and positioning accuracy in milliseconds. Visual positioning, speed recognition, and stability. Template-based management of process parameters. Calibration process automation and visualization. Supports various visual structures, including paraxial and coaxial designs. Scalable multi-axis applications. Interfacing with systems such as robots, MES, and PLC, forming a complete automated processing production line.